Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error, that is load library failed with error 126. The specified module could not be found. So if you're receiving this error with Steam, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to perform a clean installation of your graphics driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. So go to NVIDIA website and then select your product type. In my case, it's GeForce. Select your product type, then select your series. In my case, it's 30 series. Make sure that you select your series and then select your graphic card over here. And then if you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11 and then click on search and then click on download and then click on download once again. And once the download is complete, run this exe file. Now once you run the exe file, you will see the screen. Click on agree and continue and then select custom over here. Make sure that you select custom and then click on next and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Make sure that you put a check on perform a clean installation and then click on next, and then it will do a clean installation. It will uninstall the previous version and then it will do a clean installation and then restart your computer. After this, you have to restart your computer. Now Intel users can use Intel driver and support assistant to update the drivers. Now for this, you can in Google search, you can just type in Intel driver and support assistant and then go to Intel driver and support assistant website. You will see the download option. So click on download, and once the download is complete, run this exe file and install Intel driver and support assistant, and then you will see the launch option, launch Intel driver and support assistant. And then if there is any update, you will see all your graphic card update or all the updates will be shown over here. Click on install all, or first of all click on download and then click on install. Once the installation is complete, then restart your computer and then check. Now still you are receiving the error. In that case, the next step is to uninstall and reinstall a graphics card driver. Now to uninstall it, you can make a right click on the start menu and then go to device manager and then expand display adapter. And over here, if you have NVIDIA card, you can uninstall NVIDIA graphic card. Now if you have AMD, you can uninstall AMD. I'm showing for NVIDIA. So you can just make a right click and then click on uninstall, and then you can put a check on the box which says attempt to remove the driver for this device and then click on uninstall. Now once you click on uninstall, let the uninstall complete. Now once the uninstall is complete, restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can go to NVIDIA website. If you have NVIDIA card, if you have AMD card, go to AMD website and perform the clean installation of your latest graphic card driver once again. So install it from the website, but make sure that you perform a clean installation and then restart your computer and then check. That should fix the error. But still you're receiving the error. The last step is to update your Windows to the latest version. So open Windows settings, go to Windows update or update in security, click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get rid of this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.